All right, good morning, good morning, good morning. Sevens in the chat if you can hear me. Sevens in the chat if you can hear me. Sevens in the chat if you can hear me. Sevens in the chat if you can hear me. Facebook, if you can hear me. Sevens in the chat. YouTube, sevens in the chat. Let's wait for some people to get on here. All right, let's wait for some people to get on. Awesome, thank you. Thank you, Fabiola. All right, perfect, great. Okay, perfect. Let's mark some stuff up here. Let's mark some stuff up here. All right, perfect. So this is really where we're at right now. This is kind of the bank zones that we're in right now, as you can see here. Okay, so let's go out to a higher time zone here. We can see on the hour here. We can see on the hour that we just broke this zone here. Okay, we just broke this 4 hour, the bottom of this 4 hour candle. We just broke that, okay, we just broke that on the hour candle. Okay, so as you can see, we have 8 minutes left on this 15. We have 8 minutes left on this 15. What I would like to see is I'd like to see this 15 minute in this next 8 minutes. I'd like to see that we break and close. Okay, we break and close below this 800 mark. That's going to demonstrate that we are going to continue down to the downside. We're going to continue down to the downside. Okay, once we get past this here, we will continue to fall. All right, but as you can see here, look over here. Okay, came down here, wicked, did not break and close. Wicked, did not break and close. Okay, and again, look where we've been trading. We've been trading right here, literally. We've been right here consolidating. So again, one or two things are going to happen. We're either going to continue to break down to the downside, or we're going to come back up. And when we come back up here, we're going to continue to the upside, okay, and make a new high. Okay, but as you can see here, right here, we did not make a new high. Okay, we made a lower high, but not a higher high off of these highs here. Okay, so again, as you can see here, we are moving to the downside right now. Okay, so what I like is I like the 32,750 as kind of our first entry, 32,750. We're looking at a sell stop, 32,750. We're looking at 32,747. All right. So we got 3 open there. Okay. So again, if we get above this 32,800, if we get above this 32,800 into this wick, I will try to get into this 32,800 as well. Okay. All right, here we go. And this is the halfway mark of that zone. Okay, this is the halfway mark of that zone. So let's look at, we just opened up an hour candle 10 minutes ago. This 15-minute candle, we have 4 minutes left on this candle. We have 4 minutes left on this candle. Okay, obviously like a break and close below the 32,800. We would like a break and close below the, there we go. $32,800. $32,800. 32,797. 32,800. 32,797. Okay. Here we go. $32,800, 32,800, 32,797. And again, keep in mind, guys, I'm only looking for three points on a scalp. Okay, depending on what your leverage is, you may need to get 4 or 5. Okay. I know when I utilize when I trade on my my prop account, I look for about four points. Okay, we're at 810. Little pullback, we're okay. You can see us running into this the ceiling here. See us running into the ceiling, running into these wicks here. Okay, 32,800, 32,800. Here we go. All right, so we're just being patient, guys. So there's three things: patience, discipline, and consistency. All right, that's what we're focused on here. All right, we're obviously set up here at 32,800. 32,800, we have three pending. 32,800, we have three pending. Okay. We're obviously at the halfway mark of this 32,850 and this 32,800. Okay. So we're just waiting for a drop. That's all. We're obviously getting into this ceiling here. As you can see, there's a ceiling here. Look, we wicked up. We wicked up. Okay, we got into this here. Okay, we hit these wicks here, these ceilings. Okay, we hit the ceiling here. Okay, we obviously underneath the EMAs. All right. So again, we're just gonna be patient and wait. We're on the 15. We're on the 15. We're in between a zone. So again, 15, 5 minute really doesn't make a difference right now, just because again, nothing's really happening. Okay. You can run off this fib if you wanted and see that we're right at a 0.618. Okay, which again, great zone. Because here's the deal. Okay, we could potentially come back all the way up here. We could potentially come back all the way up here. Okay. And again, okay, we could potentially come all the way back up here. All right, we're obviously not in any trades right now. We're obviously not in any trades right now. Like I said, we can come all the way up here to this 32,850. We can come all the way up here to the 32,850, just like we did here. Bounced off of it, bam. Okay, came up here. We broke above. We broke and closed above. But again, as you can see, it was kind of a fake out, because then we fell back down about 75 points. Okay, so again, are we going to come up here? Are we going to make a new high? Are we going to make a new high? Because in order for us to determine that we're moving to the upside, we have to make a new high. We have to make a new high. Okay, and again, see what happens here. So we have three set up here at 32,800. 32,800, we have three set up. And we're going to just be patient and wait. Okay, look for new highs and new lows, guys. Okay, new highs and new lows. New highs, new lows. Okay, obviously see sellers came in on this candle here. Huge wick to the top side. Okay, falling star candle. Long wick, small body. Okay, obviously we ride that momentum. We ride that momentum down. Okay, we still got sellers up here. We still got sellers up here. Buyers are obviously trying to come in and fill this wick. Okay, are they going to make a new high? Are they going to make a new high? Okay, patience, discipline, consistency. Three things we focus on, guys. Patience, discipline, consistency. Okay, we have three setups here. Okay, we have three pending at 32,800, and we have three pending at 32,750. Okay, all we're simply playing is bank zones. We're playing break of bank zones. Okay, we have three set up at 32,800 and three set up at 32,750. Okay, we got 2 minutes 50 seconds left on this candle. 2 minutes left on this candle. Okay, we are live, guys. We are live on Facebook. We are live on Twitch. We are live on YouTube, and we are also streaming on Zoom as well. So very exciting stuff. Very exciting stuff. Again, unless we're having some internet issues, we are on every morning, Monday through Thursday. Okay, we're about to hit our zone here, 32,800. Okay, let's go out to this 15 minute. Okay, we got 8 minutes left on this candle. Look at these sellers coming in. Sellers coming in. We had a huge engulfing candle. We could possibly get an engulfing here. We are in this trade right now. We are in the trade right now. We are in this trade right now. Let's go. We're about to get bagged. About to get bagged. Let's go. Big drop. We're on a pullback. We're okay. We got 6 minutes left on this candle. We're in 3 trades right now. Let's go. Big drop. Here we go. A pullback. We got sellers. Look at these wicks. Look at this wick here. We got sellers. We had a huge red candle here, engulfed this green candle. So on the 15, we had an engulfing. We had an engulfing candle on the 15. Okay. We then had buyers that came in about 25 points. Okay. Then came back down. We're about to close this trade out. We're about to close this trade out. Let's go. Let's go. Bag me. Let's go. Boom. Bag me. 3-0. Let's go. Let's go. 3-0. Let's go. Yes, sir. Okay, if she pulls back up, we're going to try to get back in. We'll try to get back in at that 800 zone. She pulls back up. She pulls back up. We're going to try to get back in here. Okay. So she lets us back in. I'm in. 800. 797. All right, 800. I'm in. 797. All right, cool. I'm set back up at 800. Set back up at 800. Okay. Set back up at 800. Here we go. We're in. Let's go. Big drop. Big drop. US30. Big drop. Let's go. We got 3 minutes, 4 minutes left on this candle. Let's go. Here we go. Here we go, big drop. There we go. We still got sellers on this candle. This is a 15-minute candle. We got 2 minutes 50 seconds left on this candle. As you can see on the 5-minute, we had an engulfing. Okay, we had an engulfing that's giving us the momentum. Here we had an engulfing giving us the momentum. We're obviously on a pullback right now. We're on a pullback right now. Okay, let's go. Big drop US30. We are at 32,800, 32,800 for a sell stop, 32,800 for a sell stop. We have three trades that win right now. We are 3-0 on the session. 3-0 on the session. Okay. As you can see, guys, she's respecting this 32,800. She's respecting this 32,800. We've broken close barely below, okay, but we have not had any traction down to the downside, okay? We've bounced off of this zone here, okay? We came down here, broken close barely, then we shot back up, okay? Then we broke and closed again, wicked all the way down here though, okay? Wicked all the way down here. So again, we're gonna cover that back up. And then obviously we came all the way back up here. We did not make a new high, telling us that we are not going to the upside. Okay, again, here we go. We're about to bag us here in a minute. We got 1:18 left on this 15. Minute left on this 15. Here we go. Let's go. Big drop. US30. Let's go, big drop. Here we go. 32,800. 32,800 is our zone. 32,800 is our zone. Yeah, I got bagged already. We're good. Pull back. We're okay. We're 3-0. We got 3 trades open right now. We're on a pullback. We got a minute left. Started a new candle. Here we go. We started a new candle. Let's go. Big drop. And again, as you can see, buyers came back in. Sellers, buyers, very even. Okay, look at the candle. Look at the wick here. Look at the wicks on each side. Okay. All right. If we can get a nice engulfing, on the 15. I like the 15-minute structure, honestly. I like 15-minute structure, guys. Like, it's not too long. It's not too big of a structure. It's not too long, 4 hour. I like to play 15-minute structure, especially on scalping. Okay. As you can see, we had a big green candle. Did not engulf. The red candle though did not engulf. So again, we still have the momentum of the sellers. Okay, we did get buyer momentum. Okay, we can get a nice engulfing on the 15. We can get a nice engulfing on this 15. It will definitely give us our momentum to probably get down to this 32,750. To be honest with you. Okay, obviously we need to break and close below 32,800. Break and close below 32,800. Okay, as you can see, we've been respecting 32,800. We literally been respecting it. Here we go. We're about to come into 32,800 right now. Let's go. Big drop. So again, we've been respecting this area. Okay, over the last 45 minutes, we've been respecting it. Okay, So as you can see here, we did not break and close below. We did not break and close below here. We did not break and close below here. Okay, we did not break and close below. So again, as you can see here, okay, we broke and closed below here. Okay, we then shot back up. Okay, we shot back up. Okay, we shot back up, broke and closed above, and continued to the upside, all the way up here. All the way up here. Okay, so again, if we can get a break and close, it could potentially give us the momentum that we need to get all the way down to this 32,750 area. Okay, so 32,800. 32,800 is our zone. 32,800 is our zone, anywhere around there. Okay. We got 12 minutes left on this 15. And again, like I said, three things: patience, discipline, and consistency, guys. Those are the three things that we focus on, when trading. No emotion at all. No emotion at all. Okay, again, you shouldn't be trading money that you cannot afford to lose. Okay. Again, where do I get out, Gabe? Like, I don't set a stop loss. Where would I get out? Okay, you could potentially get out here at the top of this wick. Okay, that's about 25 points. Okay, or if you're playing aggressively, you could possibly look at the top of this wick here. Because again, keep in mind that until she breaks the top of this wick here, that's where she'll make a new high. Okay, that's where she'll make a new high and really show that she's reversing. Okay, so again, the top of this wick, it's about 25 points. Top of this wick is about 30 points actually. Okay, or we can get up to the top here. Okay, which is about 100 points. About 100 points. Okay, about 50 points actually from where she's at right now. Okay, 32,800, 32,800. Okay, obviously we see buyers come in. We see buyers come in. Okay, we see buyers came in. Okay, we have 10 minutes left on this candle. Let's look at what this 5 minutes looking like. Okay, we got 42 seconds left on this candle. $33 seconds left on this candle. Okay, we got 5 seconds left on this candle. I like this 15-minute candle, to be honest with you guys. Like, it's just showing me more right now. It's just showing me more right now. Okay, as you can see here. Okay, we could possibly get an engulfing on this 5 minute. Okay, obviously if we get on this 5 minute here, if we can get an engulfing of this green candle here, that'd be huge. Okay, 15 minute, if we can get an engulfing, that'd be great sign that we're moving to the downside. And then obviously possibly getting past this 32,800. If we can break and close below 32,800, like I said, that's a great sign that we're moving down to this 32,750. We got 9 minutes left on this 15. 9 minutes left on this 15. Okay, which tells us obviously we have 2 more 5-minute candles within this 15-minute candle. Okay. We got 3 minutes left on this 5 minute here. 4 minutes left on this 5 minute. Let's see what kind of movement we can get. Again, patience, discipline, and consistency. Those are the 3 things that we really focus on. Okay. And focus on this skill set, guys. I'm telling you, focus on the skill set, and then obviously get into prop account and, trade someone else's money. Okay. That's what it's all about. All right, big drop, US30. Let's go. 32,800 sell stop, 32,800 sell stop, going to 32,797. And again, I keep it very simple, guys. As you can see, I use no indicators at all whatsoever, none, zero. I use 2 EMAs that obviously just give me confirmation of, where what direction we're going. But again, this is simply price action with bank zones. Okay, I use bank zones as levels. Okay, it just kind of gives me an idea as far as where she's at, what bank zones are being supported. Okay, where obviously there's liquidation as well, where there's volume. Okay, where she needs to come back to. All right. And again, patience, discipline, consistency. Those are the 3 things that we need to focus on. If you're going to trade, those are 3 things that you want to focus on: discipline, consistency, and patience, discipline, and consistency. And again, it's just really the formula for success. I mean, if you're going to be successful at anything, and you're obviously wanting to see if something works, or moving in a certain direction, you obviously want to be disciplined. You want to be consistent, and then obviously just patient. You want to if you're testing a strategy or working on a strategy, you want to be patient in your strategy, and you want to journal your strategy to make sure that it's the right strategy for you and that it's working. Okay. We are currently 3-0 right now. We are 3-0 on the session. 3-0 on the session. We are 38 minutes into the session as well. 38 minutes into the session. Okay, 32,800. 32,800 is our area. Let's go. Big drop. Here we go. We got a minute left on this 5 minute. And then we have one more 5 minute in this 15-minute candle. All right. We have one more 5 minute stance in this 15-minute candle. Obviously, as you can see, buyers and sellers, there's not really anybody really dominant right now, to be honest with you. Again, they just kind of keep going back and forth. We're just waiting for someone to kind of take control. We're looking for buyers to kind of come in, take control. Okay, but like I said, we need to obviously see a higher high. We need to see a higher high in order to obviously demonstrate that we're going to the upside. And we need to see a lower low, break this 32,775 is an area that's being supported. Okay, that is obviously being respected. Okay, as you can see here, came down here, respected it, came up, shot all the way back up here, came down here, respected it, did not break down, did not break below. Okay. We are now respecting this 32,825. We're respecting this zone. We're respecting this zone right here. Okay. Obviously, we're in between this bank zone here. Okay, here we go. Big drop is what we're looking for. As you can see, we'd like a nice engulfing. If we get a nice engulfing on this 15 candle, that'd be great. That would give us the momentum that we need to possibly move to the downside. Okay, and as you can see here, we got an engulfing and we came all the way down here. Okay, we came all the way down here as a result of this engulfing candle. Okay, so again, if we can get an engulfing, okay, multiple engulfings is great. Okay, let's go. Big drop, US30. Okay, we are also coming up on an hour candle. Let's look at what that looks like. Okay, as you can see, look at these sellers on this hour candle. Look at these sellers on this hour candle. Look at these sellers on this hour candle. Okay, and again, how can you tell that they're sellers? Huge wicks, and then we have a red body. Okay, we have huge wicks. Okay, but again, a lot of just up and down right here. Okay, so something has to happen. Okay, something has to happen. We're either going to continue to the upside, where the buyers are going to take control, the sellers are going to continue to dominate here. Okay, and again, this is the hour candle. As you can see, look at this. Huge respect at the 32,775. Huge respect at this 32.75, and then obviously, as you can see here, this 32.900. Okay, we had a fake out here, and then we shot all the way back down. Okay, we shot all the way back down. We've been respecting this 32.850. We have not broken and closed this the 32.850 in the last 4 hours when we finally broke it. Okay, so in the last 4 hours when we finally broke it. Okay, we've been respecting it. We've been respecting it. It's been holding its ground. Okay, so literally, if you look at the 4 hour, look at that. That's the high right there. 32.850. 32.850. Okay, 32.850 is the high on the 4 hour. And look, okay, look what the 4 hour represents. 1, 2, 3. This is look how much longer we have on the 4 hour. We just actually opened up a new 4 hour, actually. Okay, look at this. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the open of a new 4 hour here. Okay. Go down to the 15. See what we're doing here. We got a minute 44 left on this 15. We got a minute 44 left on this 15. We're looking for a big drop. Looking for a big drop. We would like an engulfing. A nice engulfing candle to engulf this green candle would be great. $32,800 is our number. $32,800. South stop. Hope everybody's having a great week so far. Hope everybody's having a great week so far. Any questions anybody has, please ask them. as we're patient. Let's go. Big drop, US30. Big drop. We're about 44 minutes into the session here. 44 minutes into the session. We are 3-0. We are 3-0 on the session. And again, there just hasn't been a whole lot of movement, guys, honestly. Which is okay. We're fine. 32,800 for a sell stop. 32,800 for a sell stop. Okay, Shanji, good question. So what I usually do is I usually look at the higher wicks here. Okay, so for example, if I'm looking at the 15 here, okay, I do know just in order for us to go to the top side, we have to make a higher high. Okay, so I would either look at this wick here, saying, hey, if she pulls back all the way up here, I'm out. I'm out at this top zone here. Okay, or you could even play it safe here and get out right here at the top of this zone here, because you can always get back in. Okay, you can always get back in. Okay, so for example, obviously I'm on a pullback right now because I have 3 open right now, three trades that are open right now. Okay, 3 trades that are open right now. And so if she pulls past this wick here, okay, and she breaks this 32,850 zone, then that would tell me that I would get out. Okay, that's pretty much where I would get out, is if she crosses this next zone. So again, like I usually play anywhere from 30 to 50 points as far as my stop loss. But that's mental for me. That's a mental stop loss. As you can see here, we're trusting our trade, and we're about to come into the 32,800 zone. So yeah, that's usually how I play it. Great question though, Shanji. Let's go. Big drop. There we go. Let's go. Big drop US30. As you can see, we're respecting that 32,800. That 32,800 is being respected. That 32,800 is being respected. Even if you go out to an hour, look at that. It's being respected. We want to see a break and close below this 32,800. The 32,800, if we break and close below, okay, past these bodies here, past these bodies, because obviously we've broken and closed, but it's just been a fake out. Just been a fake out. So again, we need a break and close. We need a break and close below these bodies. Okay, this 32,793, we need a break and close below that. That will then determine and give us a momentum that we need to come down to this 32,750. Okay, and again, that's on the hour, guys. Which we have about 12 minutes left on this hour. Like I said, I like this 15-minute. I like the 15-minute structure. I go in between the 5 and the 15 quite a bit. Okay, as you can see, there's just not a lot of volume right now. There's just not a lot of volume. It's not a lot of volume. The candles have gotten smaller. Okay, so again, we just have to be patient. That's all. Look at that. We're respecting that 32,800 zone. We're respecting that 32,800 zone. And if you look at it on the 15, we respected it for about the last hour. Let's go, big drop. We got 10 minutes left on this 15. Okay, we got 10 minutes left on this 15. We got 50 seconds left on this 5-minute here. Let's go, big drop in this last 50 seconds. Let's go US30. Big drop, give me a big drop. Go, big drop. Okay. Sell stop at 32,800. Sell stop 32,800. Okay, we're obviously just being patient. We are 3-0 on this session. Just not a lot of movement, to be honest with you guys, but we're okay. Some mornings are going to be like that. 32,800. Here we go. Big drop. Okay, let's go out to this 15. We literally have 9 minutes left, eight minutes left on this 15. We like to see a break and close below this 800. breaking close below this 800, breaking close below this 800. That's what we're looking at. Let's go, big drop. Let's go, big drop. Let's go to US30. Okay, we got 7 minutes left on this 15. And again, we go in between. I go in between the 5 and the 15. I like 15-minute structure. It really tells a story for me, especially being a scalper. Okay. Obviously, I can go out to the hour, and you can see obviously on the hour, you can see kind of where we've been, where we've respected for the last 4 hours. Okay, this was literally the last 4-hour candle. This is a new 4-hour candle here. This is a new 4-hour candle. Okay, so again, over the last 4 hours, this is what's happened. We dropped here, we fell here, we broke and closed, but did not continue. We then shot back all the way up here and came all the way back up here, and then we came all the way back down here to actually come down here past the 775, but we did not break and close. Okay, we did not break and close below this 32,800. Okay, so again, we did not break and close below this 32,800. Okay, so that's what we're waiting. The move what we're waiting for is we're waiting for a break and close below the 32,800. Okay, on this 15, we have 6 minutes left. We have 6 minutes left on this 15. Okay, we are in a 5-minute right now. We have a minute left on this 5-minute. Okay, we want to fill this last wick. We want to fill this last wick here. We want to fill this last wick, which will determine we're breaking this 32,800. Okay. As you can see right now on the 5-minute, look what we're trading in between. We're literally consolidating. We're literally consolidating right here. Okay. So that's what happens is we make big moves, we consolidate. Okay. Something's got to happen. We're either going to break to the upside or we're going to break to the downside. Okay. Okay, there's got to be a move. Look, consolidate, broke to the downside. Consolidate, we broke to the upside. Consolidate, broke to the downside. Okay, consolidate, what are we going to do? Are we going to break this high? Are we going to break this high, make a new a lower high, and then continue to make a higher high? Okay. Okay, just opened up this last 5-minute candle on this 15. Here we go. Let's go. Big drop. Let's go US30. Big drop. Okay, this could be our candle right here. This could be our candle. This could be the 5-minute candle that we get bagged on here. Let's go. Discipline, consistency, and patience. 3 things, guys. 3 things that I really focus on. Okay, just being patient, not forcing anything. Okay, we have her trapped, we have her set up. Okay, it's kind of like if you've ever seen a hunter. Okay, they set up, you know, they set up their deer traps or their their hunting huts, and they wait. Okay, they have cameras that tell them, you know, did they see a deer? And then obviously they wait for that deer to come back into their area. And that's what we're doing is we're waiting for the deer to come back into our area, and we're going to take our shot. Okay, 32,800. We have a sell stop. 32,800 sell stop. Here we go. Let's go. Big drop. Okay, breaking close below. This is a great sign. Breaking close below, great sign. We have 3 minutes, 30 seconds left on this 15. Okay. Yes, let's go. Yes, sir. Yes, I love to see blue. Let's go, big drop. We keep respecting it. We keep respecting it. Let's go, big drop. Do we have enough momentum? Do the sellers have enough momentum to break through? Okay, here we go. Let's go. Big drop. We got 2 minutes, 40 seconds left on this 15. 2 minutes, 40 seconds left on this 15. Let's go, big drop. Let's go. Here we go. Big drop. Look at that. Respecting it. Respecting it. Respecting it. Boom. Bag me. Let's go. All right, so 32,750 is another zone that we have here. We have a minute left on this candle. If we break and close below, we could potentially move, but again, we have to get past this zone here. We have to break and close below here because obviously, look, this is an area that was supported. This is an area that was respected here. Okay, so again, look at this here. Great momentum on this candle. Okay, we're not playing this 32,800 anymore. That's gone. Okay, we are going to continue this momentum here. We are going to continue this momentum to the downside. Okay, our next zone is 32,750. 32,750 is our next zone. We have three pending trades at 32,750. 32,800, you should have bagged. You should have got a bag at 32,800. We are 6-0 for this session. 6-0 on the session. And again, it's just been a slow session, guys. Okay, we are, let me look at something here. I do have a little bit more time on this session. Let's go, big drop. We just, again, break and close below 32,800. Great sign. As you can see, we're going to continue momentum. Okay, we want now to break this zone here. We want this break this zone here. Let's look on the 5-minute here. Okay, as you can see here, we're respecting this zone. We're respecting this zone. Okay, are we going to break and close below? Let's go. 32,750 is looking nice right about now. 32,750 is looking nice right about now. Look at this. If you guys can't see this predominant zone here, okay, this is just with the naked eye, guys. Look, respected here, shot up, came back down here, respected again, shot up, came down here for the 3rd time, respected, 4th time, 5th time, 6th time. Okay, 7 touches, guys, 7 touches, and we're finally about to break this zone. 32,750, let's go, get ready. 32,750, let's go, bag me, let's go. 32,750, let's go, here we go, let's go. Let's go. We just got to be patient, like I said. Patience, consistency, and discipline. That's it. Patience, consistency, discipline. Let's go. This will be my last trade here. 32,750. 32,750. Let's go. We are in. Bag me. Let's go. Great session. Started slow, but we finished strong. We finished strong, guys. Yes. Okay, if she pulls back up, I'm going to get back in. We also want to be careful. We also want to be careful that she does not reverse from here and pull all the way back up. Okay. But again, she broke that 32,750. 32,750. Our next zone is 32,700. We're moving pretty fast. Okay. As you can see, she broke this, broke that. Okay, you can see kind of next levels. Look right here. She broke that level here. She's on to this level here. Okay, she's going to break and close below this here. If she breaks and closes below this here, okay, look at this, guys. Let me just mark this up real quick. So the halfway point, look at this. Literally halfway point, bam. She literally breaks and closes below this. Look at this. She will get past this wick here, and she's out of here. She's out of here. Okay. So going out to this 4 hour, what you could do, guys, if you wanted to play an intraday, okay, if you wanted to play an intraday off the 1 hour, let's see here. Let me try to find something for you. Okay. You could wait for a retest back up to this 32,800. Retest at 32,800 and then take her for a sell. If she retests this 32,800 intraday trade, take her for a sell. Okay. Again, I don't take those kind of trades, those setups. Obviously, I don't hold any trades. I'm literally a scalper. Okay, but again, you could take a retest at 32,800. You could take a sell limit at 32,800. Okay, set your stop loss. Set your stop loss at the next zone, 32,850. Okay, and take it for a ride. So you can take that retest. You take that retest. So let's just set up at 7,200. Let's set up at 7,200 because she's moving pretty quick. So there's 32,697. $700. 697. Okay, so we have 3 pending right now at 32,700. 32,700. Let's go down to this 15 here. We got 9 minutes left on this candle. We got 9 minutes left on this 15 here. Look at that. She's just flying. She just broke this major zone right here. She broke this major zone. She's on to this zone here. Breaking close below here. She's on to this 32,725 zone. 32,725 zone. She breaks that. We're definitely going to 32,700 for sure. Yep. Any questions? Any questions? Okay, so let's run this. Let's run this real quick. Let's run this. Okay. Okay, so I'm telling you, 32,800 would be a nice pullback. 32,800 would be a nice pullback. Retest. and take to the downside. Let's go. South stop 32,700. South stop 32,700. We're about 30 points away from that right now. 32,700. We're about 30 points away from that area right now. Let's go. Big drop US30. We have 7 minutes left on this candle. We got 2 minutes left on this 5 minute here. 2 minutes left on this 5 minute candle. Okay, let's go out to this hour. Again, why is she respecting this area? Again, she respected this area before. Okay, she respected this area 2 days ago. Okay, 2 days ago. Look at this, respected it. Okay, broke and closed above here, but then shot down all the way back down here. Then broke and closed above. Look at this, broke and closed above the next zone and shot up all the way. Okay, look at that. Then we pulled back. We pulled back to this zone. Retest. Boom. Okay, that's what I'm saying, guys. Look, this is exactly what can happen at this 800. This is exactly what can happen. Look, she pulled up past that next zone. Okay, then she fell, retested this zone, this last zone, and bye Charlie. Bye Charlie. Look at that. Came up, hit it, retest, boom, bye Charlie. Okay, so again, come up here, retest 800, retest 800, or even 850. Retest 850. Okay, actually, you know what? Retest this 825. So anywhere in the zone here, and then bye Charlie to the downside. Okay. We got a couple more minutes left on this session, guys. I do have 3 trades pending right now at 32,700. 32,700. We have 5 minutes left on this 15 candle. We have 5 minutes left on this 15 candle. So again, I don't know that we're going to move down to this 32,700 in this next 5 minutes. It may be in that next 15-minute candle. But again, she moves very fast, so we'll see what happens. We got 4 minutes, 5 minutes left on this candle. Okay, we just opened up our last 5-minute candle on this 15. As you can see, we're pulling back up. Okay, we could possibly get a retest off of this 775. 775 could possibly get a retest. Okay, because this has become a ceiling now. This has become a ceiling now. The last predominant bank zone was 32,850. 32,850 predominant bank zone. Okay, this 32,800 wasn't so much a predominant area. This 32,850 is a predominant area though. Okay, this here, there's stop losses right here. Okay, there's liquidity here. She has not come back and picked that up yet. She has not come back and picked that up. So she could potentially come all the way back up here and then shoot down. Okay. We got 3 minutes left on this candle. 3 minutes left on this candle. As you can see, sellers have definitely, buyers have definitely come in. Look at the size of that wick. Look at the size of that wick on the 15. We have 2 minutes left on this 15. 2 minutes left on this 15. Look at that. Respected that 32,775. Look at that. Okay, we got a bag on this wick, but again, respected this area. Are we going to break and close below this? Are we going to break and close below this zone here? Are we going to break and close below this zone? Doesn't look like it. Wow. And like I said earlier, we had to be careful as far as her pulling back up and her kind of moving to the upside. Okay. So again, there's now money down here. There's now money down here. Okay, this will definitely become someone's stop loss. This will become someone's stop loss. So there's money, there's liquidity down here. Okay. So at some point she's gonna have to come back and get that money. Okay. Let's see what she does, guys. Look at that. We got 45 minutes left on this hour candle. 15 on this 30 minute. We got 28 seconds left on this 15-minute candle here. Okay, this is going to be the end of our session here, guys. Honestly, I have 3 pending at 32,700. I don't think that we'll get down to that area for about a half hour, 45 minutes, to be honest with you. Just with the way she's moving, I think we're going to continue to consolidate in between this area here and play around in this area. Okay, like I said, 32,850 for a retest could be a big area. Okay, just opened up a new 15. Just opened up a new 15. Is she going to come all the way back up to this 32,850? Is she going to retest at this 32,850? Or is this going to be her retest? Again, she did have an engulfing on the 15 here. Okay, so again, we could see some momentum to the upside. We could see some momentum to the upside as a result of this engulfing right here on the 15. Okay, and that's exactly what we're seeing right now. Look, we had an engulfing here. And look, the momentum took us all the way down here. We had an engulfing. Momentum took us all the way down to the 725 area. Okay, now look what she's doing. We had an engulfing to the upside. We're now going to get momentum to the upside. Okay, so like I said, retest at 32,850. 32,850 for a retest. So you can do a sell limit at 32,850. Okay, I'm going to set this up for y'all right now. 32,850. Your stop loss is going to be 32,893. 32,893. Your take profit is going to be 32,776. That's going to be your first one. Okay, so again, just gave you a trade. 32,850, 32,850, sell limit. Your stop loss, 32,893. Your first take profit, 32,775. Your next take profit, 32,725. Okay. And then your final take profit would be 32,667. Okay, we're in that trade. I have a stop loss right here. See if she comes out and stops me out right now. I'm in that trade at 32,850. 32,850, I'm in that trade. The trade that I just called out. Okay, 32,850. Stop loss. 32,893. 40 point stop loss. 43 point stop loss. First take profit, 775. Second take profit, 725. Third take profit, 668. Look at that. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Bag me. Huge drop. Let's go. Move that stop loss. Keep moving that stop loss. So on the break of this candle, so again on this 15, I move candle. I move stop loss. Okay? So again, move stop loss to 32.25 at the break at the end of this in 10 minutes. Look at that. Bag me. Let's go. Let's go. Again, guys, this is literally price action trading. Understanding where she's going to go back to. Understanding where she's going to go back to. Again, I can get out right now with the $500 profit if I wanted to. Okay? So again, like, don't complicate things, guys. It's very, very simple. It's very simple. Okay? Again, just because I scalp, again, you can see where she's coming, you can see where she's going, you can see where she's been. Okay? So again, don't overcomplicate things. Okay, there's not a right or wrong. I literally just picked a zone and said, hey, if she comes back here and retests, I'm going to do a sell limit. Okay. Again, I could have taken my profits. I did not take my profits. Okay. I do, like I said, I have a stop loss up here. Okay. Again, if she comes back down here, I will take my profits and I'm done with this session. Okay. We got 9 minutes left on this candle. We got 9 minutes left on this 15. Let's go. Big drop, US30. Who else took that trade? Who else took that trade? About to go into profit again. About to be in profit here. If you took that trade, we're in profit. We're in profit right now. Who took that trade? We're in profit right now. Who took that retest off of 850? We're in profit about 9 points. We got 7 minutes left on this candle. We break this halfway point. Let's go. We're about 10 points in profit right now. 10 points in profit. We got 7 minutes left on this candle. And again, guys, here's the thing about MetaTrader 4 is you have complete control over where you want to get out. Okay, so I can literally, I'm high leverage right now at 0.7. Okay, 0.7 lot size on my live account. Okay, I'm high leveraged. So literally, okay, if I take this thing for 25 points, trust me, guys, like that's a great trade. You know what I mean? 25 points on a high leverage is amazing. Okay, right now we are literally 8 points and we're at about $900. Okay. So again, I'm going to be patient and wait a little bit. 6 minutes left on this candle. 6 minutes left on this 15-minute candle. Big drop, let's go. Big drop, let's go US30. We got 6 minutes left on this candle. Let's go. There we go. 5 minutes left on this candle. 5 minutes left on this candle. Like I said, I don't like to keep any trades open, guys, so I will be getting out of this trade here. Okay, I just need a big drop. I need a big drop. Let's go, big drop. 5 minutes left on this candle. Here we go, last 5 minutes. Last 5 minutes is my move. Last 5 minutes is my move. Let's go, big drop. Let's go US30, big drop. Last 5 minutes is my move. Let's go. Big drop. Let's go. Let's go, big drop. 4 minutes left on this candle. 4 minutes left on this candle. And we'll be getting out at the end of this candle here. So again, I need a big drop. Let's go US30. Let's go, big drop. We got 2 minutes left on this candle. Big drop. Here we go. Let's go. Let's go. Big drop. Here we go. We got 227 left on this 15. 227 left on this 15. 227 left on this 15. Let's go. Big drop. Yes, sir. Let's go. We need a big drop. We got 2 minutes left on this candle. 2 minutes left on this candle. We got 1:18 left on this candle. We got a minute left on this candle. There we go. Big drop. Let's go. Let's go. Big drop. We got 6 seconds left on this candle. We're about to start a new candle here. We're about to start a new candle. Let's go. We need a big drop. When we get a big drop here, I'm about to close this out. We need a big drop. Let's go. Big drop. Let's go. Here we go. We're about to close in profit. We're about to close in profit. Let's go. Big drop. If I can get a big movement here, we're going to close this in profit. There we go. Go big drop. Just being patient a little bit more. There we go. Okay, if we can fill this wick again, if we can fill this wick here. We got 3 minutes left. There we go. That's what I wanted to see. Big drop. Go big drop. We got 2 minutes left on this candle. 2 minutes, 50 seconds left on this candle. Two minutes, 40 seconds left on this candle. All right, we're about to close this out. I'm not gonna play around with this anymore. There we go. Bam, we're out. All right, guys, thank you so much. I appreciate you guys' time. Again, we got out of that trade with about $1,000 profit, which again, not bad. Literally just held it for a little little less than 25 points. But again, as you can see, she's moving. Like I said, if she breaks first zone, first take profit would be 32,775 if you're holding on to it. Okay. Next would be 32,725, and then you're on your way. I mean, if you hold it for that long, gosh, that's about 150 point trade. So awesome, guys. Thank you guys so much. Have an amazing day. Have a great rest of the week. I will see you guys in the morning. Again, thank you guys so much. I appreciate you guys. Have an amazing day. Patience, consistency, discipline. 3 things. Stay focused. Let's go. See you guys at the top. Take care. Bye-bye.